Let's start with something that sits at the core of every compensation decision: structure. Without structure, pay decisions can quickly become inconsistent, reactive, and difficult to defend. But with the right framework in place, organizations can create compensation systems that are fair, transparent, and aligned with both business needs and employee expectations. In this video, we're going to break down 3 key building blocks that make that possible: job pricing, pay grades, and pay ranges. Let's begin with job pricing, the starting point for any structured compensation system. Job pricing is the process of determining what a job is worth. But this isn't about guessing or assigning arbitrary numbers. It's about carefully evaluating the role, its responsibilities, required skills, and level of impact, and then comparing it to similar roles, both inside and outside the organization. This ensures that compensation reflects both internal value and external market realities. When job pricing is done well, it creates alignment. It ensures that employees are paid in a way that reflects the value of their role, while also keeping the organization competitive in the market. It also provides consistency, so similar roles are treated similarly, reducing the risk of inequities and confusion. Once jobs are priced, the next step is organizing them, and that's where pay grades come in. Pay grades group together roles that have similar value. Instead of managing pay one job at a time, organizations create structured groupings based on experience, education, and skill level. This adds clarity and consistency, making it easier to manage compensation across the organization. Each pay grade is then paired with a pay range. A pay range defines the minimum and maximum compensation for roles within that grade. This creates flexibility, allowing employees to grow within their role over time. Employees often start at the lower end and progress upward as they build experience, develop skills, and demonstrate strong performance. Pay ranges are more than just boundaries. They are a key driver of motivation. When designed well, they give employees a clear path for growth and reward high performance. But if ranges are too narrow, that path becomes limited and motivation can suffer. This is where thoughtful design matters. The goal is to create enough space for growth while maintaining structure and control. Now let's bring it all together with pay rate. A pay rate is the actual amount an employee earns. It reflects where they fall within the pay range based on their experience, skills, and performance. This is where the system becomes real, where structure meets individual contribution. Of course, not every employee fits neatly within a pay range. A green circle rate occurs when an employee's pay falls below the minimum, often because they are new to the role or still developing. A red circle rate occurs when pay exceeds the maximum, which can happen due to tenure, past decisions, or shifts in the structure. Both situations require attention. They signal that something may need to be adjusted to maintain fairness and alignment. When you step back, these elements work together to create a structured, intentional approach to compensation. Job pricing defines value. Pay grades create organization. Pay ranges provide flexibility, and pay rates bring it all to life. When designed thoughtfully, this structure supports fairness, encourages growth, and ensures compensation decisions are both consistent and competitive.